Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be going over Plug Power, ticker Plug. First of all, I'd like to say, according to YouTube analytics, only 6.8% of you who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So, if you can take 5 seconds out of your day, I know, only 5 seconds, and hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Number 1, about Plug Power. Plug Power is an American company engaged in the development of hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace conventional batteries and equipment in vehicles powered by electricity. They were founded in 1997 by George McNamee and are currently headquartered in Latham, New York, and have facilities in Spokane, Washington, and Rochester, New York. So let's go over some technicals. For this, I'll need my computer. There we go. So some interesting numbers we can look at right away are the year range and the volume. Firstly, let's take a look at the year range. So for those who don't know, this shows us the lowest price and the highest price over the past 52 weeks. Right away, we can tell this is crazy volatile, with the range for this stock price between a low $2.53 a share in March 2020 to $73.90 a share in mid-January 2021. If we shift to look at the gains for the last 12 months, they're a whopping 1,655% from January 2020 to January 2021. Secondly, we can look at the volume and specifically the average number of shares traded each day over the past 30 days. That number is 51.38 million. Again, pretty crazy. Just to put that into perspective, Apple, the largest publicly traded company in the world, has an average volume of about 109.05 million. So Plug is not that far behind. Overall, these two figures really attest to the crazy hype backing this stock. Now, let's take a peek into their financial performance. Let's first look into their revenue growth post-2016. So as you can see, there's some pretty excellent growth. 20%, 74%, and 31%. Obviously, Q4 of 2020 isn't in yet, but based on current projections, they should hit 329 million. So from 2019 to 2020, they should see a 69% increase in revenue. Next, let's look at their net income post-2016. They have been consistently losing money with a big loss in 2017 of $127 million. Now, they have already lost $85 million for the first 9 months of 2020 and are projected to lose $30 million in Q4 2020, which will put them at a net loss of roughly $115 million, up 35% from last year. Big question, will this be a problem? No, and here's why. Plug is having tons of money thrown their way. They're currently sitting on $448 million cash on hand as of Q3 of 2020. That's enough cash to keep themselves afloat for the next 2 years. But growing losses each year will eat into that capital. They have been issuing about 35 million shares a quarter for the last 4 quarters to pad their cash balances. But if they don't start closing that negative free cash flow gap of roughly negative 50 million a quarter, and they lose favor of the market, that will be really dilutive when it comes time to raise more capital. So let's go over my take. First of all, the growth for this stock has been absolutely insane, and once again attests to the overall hype surrounding the stock currently. The short-term growth of this stock is predicated on the hype surrounding it, and the hype can change at any moment. But I don't care about the short term, I'm all about the long term, and I rate Plug as a sell. They are trading at 100 times next year's revenue with a market cap of $24 billion, which is not warranted by any means. There is simply no room for error factored into the price of this stock. with the immense competition in the industry, this evaluation might never be justified. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you like it, please pummel that like button down below. It would mean the world to me. I'm Matthias Trades, and I'm out.